this is a woman that has had a lot of talk around her. A lot of people wondering if the hype around her is warranted.
Yeah, and this is now her opportunity to justify all that hype. An opportunity to show why she's been creating such a buzz.
A win here could do just that.
And she has to face a woman who has been at the top of her game. It's going to be hard for anyone to take on a superstar with the kind of trajectory she's been on lately. Ouch.
Cross the shoulders, up and...
Good check. Great counter.
For good measure. Covered with a clothesline.
Oh, what a forearm.
Watch out!
Suicide dive!
That's finding any which way to topple the competition.
Hurling your own body like that is insane.
Counters on counters, technical prowess on display.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat.
Springboard drop kick.
She's forced out of the defensive net. Wow.
From the...
She lands hard.
Ooh. Slips out of the way there. What reflexes?
That kick will stop you in your tracks.
Stopping their opponent.
Oh, and forearm smash. Ooh, look at her answering back. Counters.
And a clothesline.
To the outside.
This could get wild.
So much damage inflicted. Claymore!
She flips it back on her.
Oh, man!
Ouch. Fighting back with a counter. Oh, my! Oh, that backfired on her. Boom, boot!
Nice.
She has to figure something out for this.
She's got to reestablish herself back into the match now. Ooh, what a forearm club. She steers clear of that one.
Oh, running dragon rana. Is it enough? The cover!
No time to waste being shocked. You've got to maintain pressure.
Oh! Evades their offense.
Uh-oh.
Half and half suplex. Lights out.
On the mark with the drop kick, and not done yet.
Basement drop kick.
Mounting. And hammering away.
Oh, man. She did her homework there.
This match may be nearing its limit.
She is barely standing at this point.
It's always disorienting taking those hits above the shoulders.
No, goes through. Super kick. That puts her in total control.
She kicks out. I don't believe it.
You have to wonder, what more does she have left?
We have reached a whole other level here.
I don't know if there's more frustration or desperation in the ring now. No.
Near the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
That can certainly do